Hey everyone, this is Jalen with Growth Aspire again. I am back with another video, but it's going to be not very credit related, but it's going to be finance. I will be talking about time value of money, and this is a very important topic when it comes to having money, the value of the dollar, and savings and stuff like that in that category. So I have a lot of people asking me about a savings account, how much money they should put in it, what's the best savings account bank you should invest your time in and put your money in. And I will be honest, I do not have a savings account. There is a big reason why I don't have a savings account and why I don't believe anyone should have a savings account to build wealth from a long-term standpoint, and I'm going to talk about it in this video here. Check this out. So this video is going to use a little bit of math, so I'm going to make it as simplistic as possible for you. For this example of this video, I will be referring to, we'll just say, a savings account of $1,000. I'm just going to make it very simplistic and basically do the quick numbers for you guys on why I don't believe in a savings account or why anyone should have a savings account. So right now I'm looking at the labor statistics website from the United States government website. You see it up here, the website link that I'm looking at. This is the 12-month percentage of the consumer price index, and it has basically all the categories listed, and you can look at it for yourself. I have everything from 2002 from 2022 right now, so it practically has everything that you're looking at. This is practically cost of living and inflation right now. I'm on the website right now looking at the data that the United States provide for us, and a lot of people don't even know what I'm looking at, or they don't even look into this stuff. So I have the website pulled up to where I can use this as an example and back up what I'm claiming for you. So here's the full website, and you can go up above the link. I'll leave the link for you guys to look at it for yourself. So here's the reason why I don't believe in savings accounts from United States Bank. Alright, so let's say that you open up a savings account in May 2020 and you put $1,000 inside this savings account that you don't touch, and you let it build off the interest rates from the banks from the United States. So we'll just say in May 2020 you build up $1,000 and you hold it up until June of 2022. So you're looking at inflation or cost of living at 0.1% right now. So you put $1,000 in there and you don't touch it, you let it sit in there. So let's do the quick numbers. Okay, so now we're just going to use a random interest rate for this example. So I just got a blog put up here, and I just picked a random blog. Nothing fancy, it's just something that I found on Google. So I'm gonna go down here and look at all these different banks and their interest rates that they got going on as of right now. So let's use the interest rate for, I guess, Citibank here, showing a savings APY of 1.40% right now. So I'm going to basically use this for this example right now. So now I'm going to start doing the numbers for the interest rates. So let's go up here. I'm going to type in a savings APY calculator. So I'm not doing anything. Okay, so I'm going to NerdWallet right now and pulling up their calculator. So scrolling down here, starting balance was just $1,000. Let's just say we don't put any money in it, just for the example about time value of money. Let's knock it down to 2 for 2 years. And let's see, the interest rates was 1.40. And let's do this calculation. Showing the end balance with the interest that it builds in 2 years is $1,028.38. So this is, we'll just say you got a savings account and you just let it sit in there for 2 years. So let's finish doing the numbers now. So since we got the numbers right here, $1,028.38, it's time to do the inflation calculation now. So I'm going to type in inflation calculator. So I'm gonna go right here and let's fix this up for, let's just say for 2020. That's when we put in the $1,000 for the savings account. We held it for 2 years. So we'll just say that we got something for $1,000 in 2020. Something that you really wanted was $1,000 even. So we'll just say that instead of waiting in 2020 to purchase it, you waited to 2022. So for this example, I'm going to finish the calculations. All right, so we got 2020 and we got 2022. So we'll just say I purchased this item for the dollar amount. So let's do 1,000. So what's now do the calculation? Let's say calculate. So if we waited to pay this $1,000 amount in 2020, if we waited to 2022, that item would now be worth $1,144.89. Okay, so after finishing doing all the calculations, if you let that money sit in a savings account and let it build interest from a US bank, you will be left with negative $116 at the very minimum. So this is why I do not recommend a savings account to build interest and to build wealth, because you will actually lose more money in time compared to like just letting it sit in there. So that's the importance of time value of money, because your money and your purchasing power actually shrinks annually. So this is a pure example for $1,000. So if you want to know more about time value of money, I will make an additional video about it. But if you found this video helpful at the very least on understanding why you shouldn't put it in the savings account, like, subscribe, comment, and share your thoughts about it. I appreciate your time and hope everyone has a good day. See ya.